Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be unboxing and reviewing the Treadly 2 Pro treadmill. If you've watched my videos before, you know that I love my treadmill. That is the way that I maintain my weight after 3 kids and turned 40 this year, and I really want to get back on track. I've been working out, 3-4 times a week, but I really want to be more consistent. And I also moved, so I thought the Treadly is the perfect fit because it has a really slim, compact design, really easy to store under the couch, under a bed. I can also put it upright and keep it in a closet. And if you're one of those people that just doesn't want a big piece of workout equipment taking up a whole room, then the Treadly is perfect for you. If you're interested in trying the Treadly 2, use my link down below and the code JENNIFERLYNN. That will get you $100 off. They also have financing options available so you can pay over time, as well as a 12-month warranty and a 30-day return policy. So if you get it, you don't like it, you have 30 days to return it, no questions asked. If you like these kind of videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and let's get on with the video. So when you receive your Treadly, this is what the box looks like. Everything is in one piece, but if you live somewhere there's stairs, you need to carry it upstairs, I would suggest letting the delivery person know, or a friend or relative, just because if I had to carry this up the stairs, I probably wouldn't have been able to do it. What I did is I turned it on its side and kind of pushed it in, but other than that, I think it would have been too heavy for me. They do let you know where the heavier end is, where all the equipment is, so that's good to know. If you have a stronger person carrying it, they could go on the one end. But other than that, I don't think it's like too big. As you can see, it's pretty thin. So let's just cut this out. Treadly. Now to turn it on, all we do, there's a little switch, little on and off switch next to the power cord. And as you heard, a little sound came from the speaker. This model, the Treadly 2 Pro, has the Bluetooth speaker and the app. The regular Treadly 2 does not have those two features. The next thing we want to do, if you want to walk on it like this, you can go up to 3.8 miles per hour. And if you want to walk faster than that, you can unlock it by turning this little switch, super easy, on both sides. And then you can just lift up the handlebars. So there's 2 modes. There's automatic and manual. To do the manual, you'll just press start, choose your speed, increase, decrease, and you're good to go. To do the automatic, you're going to walk. You can hit start if it doesn't start on its own. And then switch out of manual to automatic. And then you're going to increase your speed by walking up closer to the front. You can decrease it by walking towards the back, or just can keep your steady speed walking in the middle. And I think if you walk towards the back long enough, it will pause. And as I'm going towards the front, it's just going faster and faster up until that 5 point. And then now it's a little too fast, so now I'm going to go towards the back and it's slowing down. So really nice feature if you're someone that's not really sure. This is your point of view when you're standing on the Treadly. All the buttons are lit up. You have your decreased speed. The switch, that can change you from automatic to manual mode. The start, emergency stop, pause, and speed up. So if you want to use the handlebar, you can go up to 5 miles per hour. If you don't want to use it, you go up to 3.8 miles per hour. I just connected the Bluetooth speaker, and as you can see, I have two Treadleys that popped up in the Bluetooth. I'm gonna use the one that has the little headphones. This is an Android, so I'm not really sure about an iPhone, but it probably will be the same where you'll see two come up. The one that has the little square is for the app. If I connect that, it says that it requires the app. So I connected the speaker. And that is an idea. I have a song playing from YouTube right now. Pretty good sound. I just installed the app and created a profile. I also connected it to the treadmill, so you can see it down there that it's connected. You can also control the treadmill with these little buttons, so I can actually start it up with this. And you could see it's moving. And then stop it with the phone, which is so cool. We could also take it out of manual mode, put it in automatic. That's what it looks like. So many fun little details, and it will also chart for you with the calendar, the activities that you've done. I don't really have anything here. So I'll be able to see in the month how much I've worked out, how many calories, what my goal is. So fun, so many cute little features. I think they're adding to it. When I clicked on home, it said that there wasn't anything yet, but it could be that I just don't know what I'm doing right now. I played around with it a little bit, and I'm gonna give you guys a quick review, and I might do another one of these maybe in a month or 2 months if that's something you're interested in. But one of my favorite features on the treadmill is the app. So I work out at night, usually I'm tired, I don't know the next day how long I've worked out or if I even worked out. So this is gonna help keep track for me exactly how long I've worked out, if I did, and also it has a calorie counter on there, so I'm so excited about that. I think it's gonna be super helpful. Also, the speaker on here is really nice and crisp, really good quality sound. I'm probably gonna even use it after I get off the treadmill when I get that burst of energy to clean up. The music sounds really good through there, so I'm excited about that. All of the buttons and all of the, like the handlebar and everything feels like it's really great quality, like it's made to last, and it just feels like a really good piece of equipment. The mat on it feels like it's cushioning enough that you don't even need to wear shoes if you're gonna be walking slowly, you know, just to get your heart rate going a little bit. So just all these little details I feel like make it a really good solid piece of equipment that I'm really, really excited about. So that is it for today's unboxing and review of the Treadly 2 Pro treadmill. If you're interested in trying it out, use my link down below and the code JENNIFERLYNN. If you like these videos, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.